Hi, I'm Jill, the content manager for Lovely Skin, and today I'm going to show you how to apply a hair mask. What is a hair mask and how is it different from conditioner? It really comes down to the formula. Hair masks are designed to smooth, tame frizz, strengthen, detangle, and deliver a surge of hydration just once or twice a week, whereas a conditioner is designed to be used every day. Choosing a hair mask that meets your concerns is the biggest challenge. For thin, fine hair or frizzy hair, look for lightweight, volumizing formulas that offer hydration without the heaviness. For coarse, dry hair, look for products rich in hydrating oils. For color-treated hair, use sulfate-free products to maintain your hair color. For curly hair, look for something that will nourish your curls without weighing them down. For a general hair mask for all hair types, simply look for something hydrating. This mask might offer a combination of benefits and will hydrate without feeling overly heavy. And lastly, for damaged, brittle hair like mine, look for a mask rich in proteins or bond builders to help repair the hair strand. Now let's get into how to use a hair mask. But first, let me shampoo and rinse. So when you apply your hair mask, I'm gonna apply just about this much. I don't need much because I have shorter hair. You're gonna wanna rub it in between your hands and rake it through from mid-lengths all the way to your ends. Just like that. Apply a little more. A little really does go a long way because hair masks are more concentrated. So you're gonna wanna rake the mask with your fingers through your hair from mid-lengths to ends, avoiding your scalp. And you'll wanna leave it on anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Pro tip. Heat can also be your friend when you're doing a hair mask, so wrap your hair in a hot towel. This will open the hair cuticle and allow the mask to penetrate more effectively. What questions do you have about hair masks? Let us know in the comments and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product information, unboxings, and tutorials. Bye!